What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech and more reviews, and I got something special for everyone out there because I got a lot of questions about the actual iPad 5th generation 12.9 cases fitting the 12.9 from 2020, or the 4th generation of those devices. Well, I got 3 of the brand new cases in. These were just released by Apple. Just got them in today. And I'm gonna be telling you all about these cases, how they fit, and you'll get to see how they look firsthand. So stay tuned.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
So I just got these cases in. The box just got to my house a little while ago, and I'm able to unbox it for you guys right now. So let's jump right over into that unboxing experience. So every time we get a brand new iPad or brand new iPhone, whatever, we get brand new cases or we get new colors to go with it. So I had a lot of questions about the different iPad cases, and the cases that we're going to be unboxing today will be the brand new line of Smart Folio cases. So they don't do anything more smart. They just come in different colors. So there is a white and there's a black. I didn't pick those up because they're just basic and plain, but there's also a blue, there's a teal greenish looking color, and my favorite is the orange. So seems like Apple listened and they gave us an orange case. So orange being one of my favorite colors, that probably will be the one that I keep. That will be the one that I use on a daily basis. Now with that being said, people wanted to know, should they get this case or should they go out and purchase another case that's more protective? Now I'm gonna break the case down. We're just gonna get them open first. I was really excited because I liked the new colors, number one. And when I got the box open, it was kind of like losing the excitement, the joy, because I just realized that this is the same old Smart Folio. There's really no protection on the inside. There's no padding. This is just something to wrap around your tablet. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. It's very thin. It actually, like, if you knock on it, it just sounds like a piece of cardboard. The magnets in this, they are really strong though. You can hold this up by the front, you can wiggle it, you can flop it around. It will not, your iPad will not fall out. Magnets are super strong, but when it comes to protection, this ain't it. This is more for just style. This is to say, hey, I got this Smart Folio from Apple. This is just a flex. This is 99 bucks that you're gonna pay for no protection. Now, I know a lot of people go out and purchase skins, which I do have a skin on my device from D brand, and I have become a skin type person, but this device right here is similar to a skin. It's just something to encase it. It will stop your screen from getting scratched up, but it will not stop your screen from breaking or cracking if it drops. Like, this thing has no drop protection whatsoever. Now, I do reviews on all types of cases, and I'm a protective kind of guy. I like my protective cases. If you've been here before, you know that Zugu is probably the most protective case that I use on my device, like hands down. It's like the most versatile, the most protective. It's one of the best cases that I've used in a long time on my iPad, and that's one that I keep at all times somewhere close by. It's somewhere in this room. I don't know right now, but it's like sitting over it's sitting over there. But with that being said, for 99 bucks, like this, for 99 bucks, to me, that's a no-go. Now, I know a lot of people out there be saying, oh, it's Apple, you got to pay for Apple, but a lot of other companies make this same style of case with the same magnetic grip, and they cost like 30 bucks, 20 bucks, in between 20 and 30 bucks. And Apple is selling theirs for 99 bucks. So that's proof that you are paying for the Apple name and the Apple logo. But I will say the orange that's a nice color. The orange is a nice color. The other two are kind of plain, but I like the orange. So the case, is it protective? Absolutely not. Is it overpriced? Absolutely so. Yes, it is overpriced. And I can't see myself just shelling out 99 bucks for a piece of cardboard with some magnets in it. Like, it does work with the auto sleep wake function. It does have 2 different standing angles, but for 99 bucks, I think you should be getting something a little more protective, something a little more practical that's gonna actually be a benefit. Like, even if you put your pencil on the edge of this, it's still not protected. Your pencil is still just hanging out in limbo. So you do the math. If you wanna pay 99 bucks, go ahead, pay 99 bucks, give Apple your money. Another reason I wanted to go ahead and get this is it's advertised as being used for the 5th generation. I have the 4th generation, and this is the 2020 model, the one that I have. It actually fits well. We know that the dimensions are slightly off, just slightly, ever so slightly. I've done a video about that and talked about it a little bit, but it fits. So this leads me to believe that the Magic Keyboard will still fit, but we don't want to put too much stock into it. I know somebody's gonna get it before I get it, and they'll put a video out about it. But I'm telling you right now that there may be some issues with the Magic Keyboard. There are different forums out there where Apple is telling people that this may happen. So just be aware. I'm gonna get it. I've already ordered it. I put my order in when the pre-order started. So I've ordered my iPad. I've ordered my Magic Keyboard in white, like I said I would, just to see how quick it will get dirty. But these cases, like I said, they are nice. But are they worth the $99 price point? Absolutely not. They're not as protective. They do take advantage of auto sleep wake. They do give you 2 standing angles, and they do look stylish. They do look sleek when they're on your iPad. I cannot justify paying 99 bucks for this case right here. Now, these are the new colors. Like I said, we got blue, we got a green, it's more of a teal color, and then we actually have that orange being one of my favorite colors. I'll be rocking that one on my new iPad when I get it. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. Hopefully you will be able to benefit from it. I'll be sure to drop links below. You already know where you can get it from, but I will just leave the apple.com link below for those who need to know where to get this case from. And until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.